Here.
Can you find more?
Mom?
Oh, we're gonna be okay.
What are you doing here, jerk?
Bummer. This one's dead.
That is not funny.
Paddler!
Cut? Fine.
Don't give up.
You don't look so good.
Is everyone accounted for?
Maybe one more.
What are you doing? Take it outside. Hey, those are Bright Bill's baby pictures. Put that down. What the? No. Knock it off. You think those grow on trees? Hey, no. Think only.
Anyone see my lost fuzzballs? Smelly, noisy, prone to biting.
We're all gonna die!
What's he doing here? Oh, great. This'll help. Get out of here. I worked hard on this.
Think. What is happening?
You put a bunch of predators and their food supply in one room.
Who knew? That's my lunch!
Think.
What?
Help them.
Quiet!
The jerk wants to speak.
Most of you hate me, and I hate most of you. Everyone in here hates someone else.
It's true.
But here we are. And here's the deal. First one that walks out that door is dead, and if we can't keep it together in here, everyone's dead. We all got one chance to see next spring. Because of her. The thing. The monster. Well, her name is Roz. And while you all ran from her and stole from her and made fun of her, all she's been trying to do is raise her kid, the little one that no one gave a chance, including me. She's the one who got you out of the storm, built this place, and despite my suggestion that she let you all freeze, she risked everything to bring you here.
I know you all have instincts that keep you alive. But sometimes, to survive, we must become more than we were programmed to be. Before I shut down, I need you to promise me one thing. A truce. Just while we're in here.
She's right. I will not harm anyone. Not while we're in here.
We won't even pretend to die while we're in here.
Roz, what's going on?
I completed my task.
You sure about that?
I will consider this.